Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Vivo Y17s device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Some of you may need a floating keyboard for some activities on your device. And then, how to activate it? First of all, I'm going to open my keyboard view. And then, to use the floating keyboard feature, you can activate it by tapping the following icon. And then here you can select floating. And then the floating keyboard will be successfully implemented. And then to resize the keyboard, you can pull it like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use floating keyboard on Vivo Y17s device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.